So in this video, I want to go over exactly what it is that you can do with AI when it comes to helping you with your business or looking for a job. Some of the things that I started to incorporate AI with when it comes to my own job search is using Google's Gemini. So one of the things I do is I actually tell Google's Gemini to do market research for me, acting as a collective mind of the best recruiters in the world with at least 20 years of experience. From there, I ask it to provide me a list of job links in order for me to go ahead and apply that make a certain level of money when it comes to salary, what it is that I do, so on and so forth. And then it provides me a list of those things. Now from there, I also incorporate its AI feature in order to proofread my resume and then help me make tweaks before I apply to each one of these job descriptions. So what it'll do is it'll analyze the job description, and then tweak the resume a little bit, slightly altering the copy so that it fits the job description better, so that when they run it through their AI system, it is able to be picked up and as well as get you seen in front of the employers that are hiring for that position for that salary in that state, or if it's a remote job. So if this video helped you, go ahead and smash that like button down below, and don't forget to follow me for more tips like this.